Let me show you how to make flatbread in the air fryer. 2 cups of flour, half teaspoon salt. Make a hole in the middle to pour the milk and butter. I'm using 3/4 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of melted butter. So that brings everything to 1 cup of liquid. Mix everything together. Then let's turn it out to this clean surface for kneading. Start kneading. If it's too sticky, add a little bit of flour. So make sure you keep flour handy. So our dough is very soft now. Fold it in, then just roll it into a ball. Put it in the bowl. You now cover it up for 30 minutes to rest. It's 30 minutes. Our dough has rested. Let me put it on the surface. Dust it with a little flour. I'm going to divide it into 6. Then you are going to roll each one into a ball. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be a perfect ball. Put it to one side. If you want big flatbreads, you can make it like 4 balls. Divide everything into 4. If you want regular sized ones like I'm doing now, make it into 6 balls. Divide it into 6, then do 6 balls. If you want smaller sized ones, you can do 8 or 10. We are now going to preheat our air fryer at the highest temperature. Air fry 200 degrees, set time to 30 minutes. Start preheating. Let's go back to our dough. Dust your surface with flour. Dust the top of the dough also with flour. See the way I'm rotating so that we can get a roundish shape. Keep dusting the surface. Don't let it dry get sticky. Time to put it in the air fryer. So this one, the first 3 minutes for one side, then we'll flip it to the other side, then do 2 minutes. Cover it to keep it warm so that it doesn't crack. Next one goes in. Everything is done. Let me just show you something. You can see how this one is. The longer it stays in the air fryer, the harder it becomes. You can see. Can see that. So don't let it stay too long except you like it crunchy. And now we'll put it in Ziploc and put it in the freezer. So as it is, it can stay in the freezer for up to 3 months. When you are ready to warm, just bring out one and put it on anything hot for a few minutes. It will soften immediately. Anything hot, even food you've already warmed.